We are here. Labus Talat Harp Square. Let's continue. I found it. Nice elevators. Room tour. We got mirror. Window to nowhere. We got TV. Unsafe safe. And you know. And the view. Amazing. High Court of Egypt. And the cinema. Got into cafe, some fast Wi-Fi. Ramses II obelisk. The metro is closed. We have arrived to tourist destination. Let's see what's going on here. Fortress of Babylon. Hanging church.
This is what you look down.
Doing horses. What's going on with you? What's up, chick? What a cool guy. What's going on? Beautiful Cairo waterfront. Beautiful river of Nile. The longest river in Africa. Bridge. Tickets. Are you real? How's your day? Night time in Cairo. Original shoes. Pratico. What is going on? Going to see pyramids. First I need to change some money. There they are. We are here to get tickets. We are inside. Check this out.
Yes, 5 billion.
Pyramids. Yes, video is good.
100 per the picture.
For the picture.
Yes. Look for money, look for enjoy. See?
We're even a camel.
Would you go in the Rama, blind pyramid?
Let's climb the pyramids.
Kertenkeleler hepsi bunun gibi. Serin taş.
$700 to get in. $200 to get the camel. And I'm broke. This guy going off-road.
Hey, need the camel? بقول لك ايه؟
Yes.
مشاكل.
Made it to panorama. All the pyramids in a row. Photo opportunity. I'm down here. Walking in desert. It's a good day. Dust. What's in here? Trash. No climbing. We got dog on the pyramids again. Pyramids are closed. And it's over. Camel's going home. Are you my Uber? Thank you very much. Another day of exploration in Cairo. Crazy building. Guy on a horse. Going through the market. Market under the bridge. Shopping in Cairo, stress-free. Some historic place. Let's see what's going on. Babzwala.
Yes, Babzwala. Tickets office.
Tickets.
Yeah. Only show you. You're here for enjoy Russia. You're here for enjoy.
No.
Alex, hi.
This is Babzwala.
Going up. Let's go.
Take me.
Down. We continue our journey through the streets. Al-Muiz Street. Beautiful. Abdin Palace Museum. And the park. Sunset hour in Cairo. We got the Nile City on the boat. Starbucks on the boat. Very nice view. We've got the Nile City. The Nile. Where is my Uber? We are in the Citadel. Can't see anything.
Russia.
Mm-hmm. Got some guns. Castle prison. Very good. Look at that. Catapulta. Guy on a horse, as usual. How you doing? We got some planes, rockets, different bombs. Highly explosive. There's a happy guy. Torpedoes, tanks. All you need to kill humans. Very busy museum. $10. I don't know. We got the marketplace, and there was a house and a tourist destination. Melons. Good melons. That's strawberry. Pretty cool. We came down from up there to the streets. School card. Got some fish. Check them out. We're checking out of this very nice hotel. And I'm traveling to Georgia today. There's my Uber right here. Let's go, guys. Sunset, Cairo airport, flying out to Georgia.